Hello friends, do you know what makes food items like potatoes, gram and bread filling? Yep, the answer is starch. So, you already know that the food products we eat include different types of carbohydrates, among which starch and sugars are the main types. To perform this test, we will need a few basic things like a knife, a dropper, some iodine solution, some clean and dried slides or dishes, and some food samples like potato, cucumber, bread and boiled rice. Now, let's get started. First thing first, we will take a fresh potato that is washed, cleaned and dried. Next, we will cut the potato into small cubes or slices and place them on the clean and dried dishes. Now it's time for some chemistry. Download the Toppscholars app to watch the complete video. Unlock premium access for 24/7 unlimited doubt solving with expert teachers.